Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sanford Khan. I want to do something different in this video, short video. I want to introduce you to a new symbol that you could wear on a chain around your neck that could help guide your life and give meaning to it. Most people have certain symbols around chains on their neck. Most of them are religious symbols of whatever religion they belong to. Then there's others that I've seen shark teeth, a whole bunch of others, beads, whatever, maybe good luck charms. I'd like to introduce you one that I've been wearing for years and has special meaning for me, and help maybe could give you some meaning too that's different. Let me get it here and let me get it straight, okay? It's a sailboat. Very simple figure. It's a sailboat. That's all it is. It's a sailboat. Why a sailboat? Very simple. Because you see, you are the captain of your own ship. You set the course, your life's course. You set it. You're responsible for the direction and consequences of that course that you set. You never, never, never let any institution, especially religious institution, tell you what to do, say, and think. You decide for yourself. You are the captain of your own ship. You set and plot your own course. But you're always responsible for the consequences of that course set. For example, if you want to do drugs, you have to be responsible for the consequences of your drug use. If you want to engage in a life of crime, you have to be responsible for the consequences of that type of life. But like I said before, you never let any institution tell you what to do, say, and think. Let me give you an example. This is getting close to Christmas time when I'm doing this video. If you're the Jewish religion does not celebrate Christmas, and therefore if you're a member of the Jewish religion, you say, well, I can't celebrate Christmas. I'm a member of the Jewish religion. That's garbage. That's absolutely nonsense. You could celebrate any holiday you want. You don't let an institution tell you what to do. If you want to celebrate Christmas, celebrate it. It's a beautiful holiday. It's a holiday filled with joy, with peace, and hope for a better tomorrow. I've been celebrating it since I've been a kid, and always have been celebrating. You never let any institution tell you what to do. You make up your own mind. You're the captain of your own ship. You set the course. I want to keep this video short. I think you get the meaning of what I'm trying to say. That's why I wear a sailboat, to remind me, and it should remind you, that you are the captain of your own ship. You set the course. You don't let an institution or anybody else tell you what to do, say, and think. You're responsible for your own life. Anyways, hopefully you can pass this video on to others, and may you always be sailing into sunny horizons. Appreciate if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you again. Take care now, folks. And by the way, Merry Christmas.